Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and today I am showing you my small garden in my house area, small area. Just see what are the plants are there. Some you can see impatiens and different varieties of petunia. You can see this is the purple variety and some begonia plants I have grown in my pot and white petunia. You can see this is also nice looking petunia. I have around 10 to 12 varieties of petunia. I have grown several in several pots, and you can see this is also a small variety and grown in 5-inch pot, only in 5-inch pot. And this is a plastic bucket. I have transplanted in a hanging basket, and you see this is a beautiful coloration of red petunia. You can see, and here the bicolor, sometimes bicolor and tricolor. Here are some you can see radish plants I have grown. This is the round radish. It's grown in flat pots and very sweet. This radish is very sweet. You can grow in pot. And these are some papaya plants I have grown from seeds that I have eaten papaya in a house, and that was very sweet. So we have grown this. Some this is the petunia, nice looking petunia in small bucket. Only 10 rupees basket we bought from market and grown this petunia and made this a pot. And this is also one variety of petunia. You can see we have grown some chilies, and I have grown 4 to 5 varieties of chilies in my pots. I am fond of growing chilies in my pots, and this is the parichat and night blooming jasmine. And this is the round the year you can get flowers from this variety of parijat or night blooming jasmine. And here you can see some coriander we have grown in pots, just germinated, started germinating. Coriander, nice variety. And some of the green leafy vegetables we have grown. Amaranthus we have grown here. And here I am showing you in this part of my garden. Here you can see some hibiscus plant and some adenium are here. I have grown some roses also, white variety, yellow variety, and some abracadabra, some beautiful roses here. French marigold also have 3 or 4 pots are there, French marigold, and some tulsi plants and some dahlia. Dahlia you can see only in 5-inch pot. This is a big size dahlia. You can see buds are here in dahlia. Dahlia you can grow in 8-inch pot is the best for growing dahlia. And this is the cherry tomato plant, and started blooming, flowering, and in the 10 to 15 days you can see fruits here also. So let's move to another part. This is some beautiful small plants, and this Inca variety of marigold I have grown in 6-inch pot, and you can see the flowers. And if you can grow 8-inch pot, that would be nice. And these are impatiens in 5-inch pot. I have grown impatiens here, and this is the white and pinkish color impatiens. And every plant you can get every day 30 to 50 flowers you can get. And this is drizzling outside, so this is the flowers are absorb water here. And you can see this is a begonia. I have grown here 3 color of varieties of begonia in one pot. This is chilies also, nice chilies here. And behind see this is also chilies. I am grown some coriander in some small pots, small buckets. This is a very small garden, around 8 feet long and around 6 feet wide. And this is over a water tank here, and so we cannot put much weight over it. And this is the, if you want you can grow 10 to 12 pots by the startingly. You can start with 10 to 12 pots only. This is also chili, a nice variety bullet chili. And this is also nice petunias. And you can see many more petunias are there, and some brinjal plants. This is hibiscus. We have grafted 5 shoots here in one plant. One flower has bloomed here, and time to time they blooms in every stem. They bloom here nicely. And this is also a part here in my part, very small garden. And you can start with 10 or 12 pots, and within 6 months you will see there will be 40 to 50 pots they will convert. And you will love watching this every day blooming, every day budding, every day you can watch. And whenever you watering them, you will feel enjoyed by growing these kinds of flower plants or vegetable garden. Even if you want, you can grow vegetable gardens also. So this is a Jaffrey variety, French marigold. And in French marigold also the flower stays for 10 to 15 days. So this is also a very nice option if you can grow in marigold options. And begonia are also the flower stays for a long time, and the leaves colors are also very nice. So you should grow begonia also. So this is the overlook of my overview of my small garden, and this is all, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you.